Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to talk about the point of sale that Tesla just put it on their website. So as you were aware, they were having a lot of delays either with the iOS. But finally today they already have it on their website, and you can see it right here on the corner right here. It says 7,500 federal tax credit. Eligible buyers will receive 7,500 off the purchase price of the all-new 2024 Model Y. Applied at time of delivery. So you don't need to wait until then, at the end of the year and then file for tax credit and all stuff like that. So now it's off at the time of delivery, which is great. So looking at this is a stealth gray color with a new color that is included with the Model Y, and also the ultra red. But the ultra red you're gonna have to pay. So if you're looking at this, the price right here. So 48,000, 49,000 minus 7,500, you get about like 41, right? Some states even give more incentive. Some states even give you like 7,500 from the state incentive. That is the state of Colorado. So if any of the viewers that are from Colorado, you're in luck, So you imagine you get $15,000 off of a Model Y long range. So make it about $33,000. And if you're lucky enough, if you find like some of the discount on the inventory of knocking down like another $4,000 or $5,000, oh Lord, you're looking at under $30,000 for a Model Y, which is ridiculously cheap compared to some of the people that bought at the high prime, $65,000, $59,000. And then I was one that bought it at a really high price. So the price of EV and the incentives, they're really here to help boost all the EV sales. And as you guys know, Tesla has been crushing it. They've been delivering like 1.8 million vehicles per year, outproduce any of the manufacturers out there other than maybe BYD. But BYD, they're producing all kinds of vehicles, scooters, and all kinds of stuff. So I'm not sure if it's even considered as a fair comparative. But yeah, see, check this out. So the Model Y, the 52,000. There you go. So if you're in the market for, and now you know for sure that it's take the 7,500 off at the time of delivery. So off the back. So if you guys have any questions about this, leave it in the comment below. But I just want to get out there for those of you guys who want to know. But there you go. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know. On that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.